Well, check out my water pump right here. This one's actually fan driven, but here's the heart of the water pump right here. Look at this. Those fins, they're not there. They're actually rotted off. Not a good thing. What are they supposed to look like? Well, right here you can actually see the fins. Big difference. That's just due to a lack of maintenance. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. We're going to talk all about the coolant systems in the water pump and also discuss some maintenance. Here we go. Why do we even need a coolant system or a water pump? Well, what happens is you actually fire in the cylinder there at 4,500 degrees, that spark. Then you get about 1,500 degrees, transferring that energy over to those coolant jackets. Now, if you see the other graphic there, the water pump's job is to circulate that antifreeze or coolant throughout that engine to go ahead and carry that. Law of thermodynamics, my friends. We're taking the heat from the block, out of the block, and throwing it to the outside air via the radiator there. What's going on? Well, you can see the water pump right here. You actually have an impeller. That's what I was showing you. Ours didn't have any fins. No fins, no water circulation. Boom, that's it. No engine. Catastrophic damage. Then you got the bearings and everything going to the front. So you want to make sure your water pump's in good shape. Even if you have a hybrid or electric vehicle, check it out. You got an inverter coolant systems. You're actually keeping the electronics cool. Len, it's hugely important when it comes to maintenance. AMSOIL has coolant, but you need a specific coolant for those vehicles, don't you?
Correct, especially with the amount of aluminum that we're seeing built into these vehicles now. Your corrosion protection package is what we're talking about. Our recommendation is that you make sure that you're using the recommended coolant. Check your owner's manual, check our website.
Now that's key when it comes to coolant systems. You saw our water pumps all rotted out. That coolant's probably never been serviced. Vehicles need service, oil especially.
Yeah, it's critical that you change your oil. And that's the main thing. That's the main point that we want to get across. Change your oil. We've got oils for whatever drain interval you like. We can go up to 25,000 miles. You could change it when the maintenance indicator goes off, whatever you like. The key here is that you're keeping those deposits down and that you're keeping everything nice and clean and lubricated. The main goal there being protection.
Yeah, I've seen engines go, whatever, 50,000 miles, you pull the plug, it comes out with sludge. We're talking about some high technology on these engines. It's important to have clean oil.
That's correct, especially with variable valve timing, different types of things that are coming out now. All of that has to be factored in. The oil needs to move, it needs to provide lubrication and protection.
Len, how do I know what's best for my vehicle?
Well, it's real easy. You just go to our website, punch in your vehicle, and it'll tell you all of the different products that we have.
Well, make sure you do your oil change and do what this guy said. Go to AMSOIL.com. They got something for everybody.